It's been great. We actually had the chance to attend it earlier. We are very pleased with the introduction and the new launch, and we hope that this adds to your collection of products that we've been dealing with for the last 7 years. As you know, we've been a trusted partner for more than 7 years, distributing around the country of Libya, the Tafawuk Medical Group, and we're very pleased that you guys are introducing new products that could actually be a leading sort of product in our market.
The rise up of Dymind in hematology, and with the AI function, there is something that I would like to say that it's unique, because the AI function of Dymind has something that other competitors don't have at the moment. Because in my opinion, what is important is that we are not only focusing on morphological parameters, but also on positional parameters. And this is the first very predictive possibility in interpreting a report of hematology.
I was amazed that you can launch a new product that would fit our niche market, because we have been dealing with the DH800 for years, but right now we have it's like we have a demand for a smaller machine that would fit the smaller hospital, and also at a lower cost, not just for the analyzer but also the consumables. So I hope that the DH80 series is gonna be launched international very soon, and I'm looking forward to that.